Good day, everyone. Today, of course, is Thursday, the 11th of April, 2019. It's time for Weather News with J7409. Folks, I've got so much weather going on, I'm going to have to make more than one video. But for weather in general, here is the picture. Here is the GFS map, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. As I turn it on, we still have blizzard conditions ongoing in the central and northern plains with this potent late season winter storm. Now, there's a slight risk of severe thunderstorms over parts of the western Ohio Valley and that critical fire weather danger for parts of West Texas and southern New Mexico is still going on. That's what the major stories are. Now, a strong storm over the Central Plains is going to move northeastward to near James Bay by Saturday. Heavy, wet snow will continue west and north of the associated surface low, and 1 to 2 feet of snow is forecast from northern Nebraska northeastward into parts of the Dakotas and Minnesota. The winds are going to get high also, creating blizzard conditions in the central northern plains. Now, difficult to impassable travel conditions and power outages are expected. Then we have freezing rain that is also a threat along the rain-snow line. 1/4 of an inch of freezing rain is possible near the Iowa and Minnesota border into Wisconsin. Farther south in the warm air ahead of the low system, it's going to be rain and thunderstorms that's expected. And we do have a slight risk of severe thunderstorms in effect for western Ohio Valley in today's weather forecast. Now, we have a marginal risk of excessive rainfall and flash flooding in place for portions of the Central Plains and for portions of the upper Great Lakes and Ohio Valley today. Showers and thunderstorms are going to develop along and ahead of this associated front this afternoon into this evening from the western Ohio Valley southward to the lower Mississippi Valley. Now, the showers and thunderstorms will move eastward to parts of the northern areas of the Mid-Atlantic, the Central Appalachians, and into the Central Gulf Coast by tomorrow evening and right on through into Saturday. Behind the storm and the associated dryline conditions, it's going to be very favorable for fire weather throughout the southwest and southern central plains, as high sustained winds and even higher gusts combined with very dry humidities is making this fire danger a critical risk. Now, it's looking like that the critical risk for fire weather outlook for the West Texas and southern New Mexico area is still ongoing for today. Red flag warnings are widespread throughout these areas. More broadly, gusty winds are a threat from California through the southwest, the Intermountain West, Rockies, Plains, and Mississippi Valley for the next couple of days. And the biggest threat for high winds in the southern and central plains, where high wind warnings are also in effect. Elsewhere across the U.S., upper-level energy over the Pacific Northwest is going to move southward to northern Mexico by Friday evening. Now, the energy will induce low pressure to develop over western Texas, northern Mexico by Saturday. This system's going to produce rain and higher elevation snow over the Pacific Northwest and Intermountain region through Saturday morning. By today, tonight through tomorrow, snow's going to be developing and happening over parts of the Great Basin into the Central Rockies. And for tomorrow into Saturday, snow and lower elevation rain will develop over parts of the central, southern Rockies and southwest. And now, as this energy begins to move into the southern plains, moisture from the western Gulf of Mexico, it's going to stream northward over parts of the western Gulf Coast and the central Gulf Coast into the lower Mississippi Valley by tomorrow evening into Saturday. The moisture and energy is going to develop showers and thunderstorms over the lower Mississippi Valley into the southern plains for Friday and Saturday. And so far as severe weather days, we may have some coming up. I will check on that, do another video, but I have other videos to do for today with watches and warnings also. That's a check and a quick rundown of your entire weather for the lower 48 today. Please subscribe if you haven't. I would appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, folks, more than you know. It means so much. Take care of yourselves. Please be aware of your sky conditions, and if you're in this awful heavy snow band of snow that's going on, please stay safe and stay warm. I love you guys and care about you. Peace, love, and kindness to all. Thanks for watching.